Love can be a moment's madness. Love can be insane. Love can be a life of sadness and pain. Love can be a summer shower. Love can be the sun. Love can be two hearts that flower as one. It can be fine and free, but it's true. It doesn't always happen to you. Love can be a dying ember. Love can be a flame. Love like in September, maybe next December. You may not even remember it came. Oh, love can be a joy forever or an empty name. Love is almost never, ever the same. Love can be a comfort.